To open, place Stash Monkey on a flat surface. Insert the key, turn to the lock position, and remove the key. Turn the dials to the code 000. While holding the container down, lift the lid up with your thumbs. To close, place the lid on the container from back to front. Press the edges down firmly to seal. To lock, scramble the combination code wheels. To change the code, turn the lid over. There are 3 reset buttons. While holding down the reset button, turn the dial to the desired number. Repeat for the remaining dials as needed. Always scramble the combination code wheels to lock. Forgot the code? Insert the key, turn to the unlock position, and leave the key in for now. While holding the container down, lift the lid up with your thumbs. Now turn the lid over. You will be unable to press the reset button down. While pressing the reset button, slowly turn the dial 1 number at a time. Release the button when you feel it push down. Repeat for the remaining dials as needed. You can keep the current code or set a new one. Turn the key to the lock position and remove the key. Always scramble the combination code wheels to lock. To remove the rack, lift it up from back to front. Install the rack from front to back, aligning the tabs on the rack to the tabs on the container. And as a reminder, never store your backup access keys inside your Stash Monkey. Never store your backup access keys inside your Stash Monkey.